And we're matching too.
Yeah.
We color coordinated. A few supplies here. This is the Rosa brand. And I got this from Amazon. And they suggested that you have to purchase some of these things to kind of press it on the wall. And then just like a sharp knife to kind of cut off the sides too, to make it a little bit more precise. Okay, so let's see which ones I've already pre-cut it. I was thinking of doing the corners first, like how we did it last time. So,